Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. George Washington was a pivotal figure in American history, known for his leadership during the American Revolution and as the first President of the United States. He is often referred to as the father of his country for his indispensable role in the birth of the nation, particularly in securing American independence and establishing the foundational principles of the new republic. Born into a prosperous family in the colony of Virginia, Washington was raised on the family of plantation and received a limited education, largely through tutors and self-study. His early years were marked by a series of challenges, including the death of his father when he was just 11, leaving him with responsibilities as a young man. Nagsimula ang karera ni Washington sa militar noong French at Indian War from 1754 to 1763, kung saan nagsilbi siya bilang Teniente Colonel sa Virginia Regiment. Ang kanyang mga karanasan sa labanang ito ay humubog sa kanyang mga kasanayan sa pamumuno at nagpalalim sa kanyang pag-unawa sa estratehiyang militar. Ang katanyagan ni Washington ay tumaas sa panahon ng American Revolutionary War. Noong 1775, nang lumaki ang labanan sa pagitan ng mga kolonya ng Amerika at Britanya, hinirang si Washington bilang Commander-in-Chief ng Continental Army ng Continental Congress. Despite facing numerous challenges, including an ill-equipped and poorly trained army, Washington displayed remarkable perseverance and strategic acumen. He led his troops through difficult battles, such as the Siege of Boston in 1776, the crossing of the Delaware River, and victories at the battles of Trenton and Princeton, revitalizing American morale. His ability to endure hardship and maintain unity among his forces was a defining characteristic of his leadership. Although the war saw mixed fortunes, including defeats at Brandywine and Germantown, ang pagpupursigi ni Washington sa huli ay nagbunga. Noong 1781, pinamunuan niya ang isang mapagpasyang tagumpay sa Siege of Yorktown, na suportado ng mga pwersang militar ng Pransya na pinilit ang mga British na sumuko. Ang Treaty of Paris noong 1783 ay opisyal na kinikilala ang kalayaan ng Estados Unidos. Following the war, Washington's influence continued to grow. He presided over the Constitutional Convention in 1787, where the U.S. Constitution was drafted, ensuring the establishment of a strong central government. In 1789, Washington became the first president of the United States, elected unanimously by the Electoral College. During his 2 terms, he laid the groundwork for the nation's future, overseeing the creation of a national government, establishing the nation's financial system, and setting precedents for the office of the presidency. His leadership was characterized by impartiality as he navigated fierce political rivalries within his cabinet, particularly between Thomas Jefferson and Alexander Hamilton. Ang isa sa pinakamahalagang kontribusyon ni Washington ay ang kanyang patakaran ng neutralidad sa mga usaping panlabas, lalo na sa panahon ng magulong panahon ng Rebolusyong Pranses. He also endorsed the Jay Treaty with Britain, which helped avoid war and stabilize relations between the two nations. Washington's commitment to the ideals of republicanism was evident in his farewell address in 1796, where he urged the nation to avoid entangling alliances, regionalism, and political partisanship. Throughout his life, Washington was a tobacco and wheat planter at his Mount Vernon estate. He inherited enslaved individuals, and although he initially supported the institution of slavery, his views evolved, especially in his later years. In his will, he took the unusual step of providing for the emancipation of enslaved workers upon the death of his wife, Martha Washington. Washington's legacy is monumental. Palagi siyang nilaranggo bilang isa sa mga pinakadakilang presidente ng US at ang kanyang imahe ay kasing kahulugan ng mga ideal na Amerikano sa pamumuno, katapangan at pagkakaisa. Ang kanyang kapangalan, ang kabisera ng bansa, ang Washington DC at ang estado ng Washington ay nagtatagal ng pagpupugay sa kanyang mga kontribusyon. Ang pangako ni Washington sa mga demokratikong prinsipyo kasama ang kanyang halimbawa ng banal na pamumuno ay nagpatibay sa kanyang lugar bilang isang iconic figure sa kasaysayan ng Amerika. George Washington passed away on December 14, 1799, at the age of 67, leaving behind a legacy that continues to shape the United States to this day. His actions both during and after the Revolutionary War set the course for the nation's development and provided a model of leadership that continues to inspire. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Roy Bennett, don't be pushed around by fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Wenjun Taniedo and Giriboy Abordo. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, https://wikipedia.org. Photo credits also to https://wikipedia.org. An inspirational quote credits to https://www.lifehack.org.